Can I hug you?
Question.
It's a question.
여러분 비슷한 것은 탐나 지기죠.
가.
여러분 비슷한 꼴에 또 탐나 지기는 지기에 나서.
Korean.
자 여러분 비슷한 탐에 탐 주로 나서.
그러나 여러분 비슷한 학쟁이 누구도 학직 지는 지기 됐어요.
Okay, come. First here. Then I think finally here also. And suck my tongue. Thank you. Thank you. We are same human brothers, sisters. Thank you. Now, you should look those good human beings who create peace, happiness, should not follow those human beings who always killing other people. You should not look these people.
His Holiness hold you and hugged you. So at that time, what do you feel?
You can only feel the positive energy, and I just can't express how good it feels.
Exactly.
And it was a really good experience meeting him, and it was unexpressible how blessed you feel when you get blessed by him. You feel very positive energy, and there's a lot of positive energy in you after you get blessed by him.
Yeah.
It's a really, overall, it's a very good experience.
साला पहली बार आया हूँ, पर मैंने जो आके यहाँ फील किया है वो मैंने अपने जीवन में कभी इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं फील किया। दलाई लामा जी से मिलके हमें एक नई अनुभूति हुई है कि वो कितने महापुरुष हैं। उन्होंने अपना जीवन पूरा तपस्या लोगों के लिए डोनेट किया है और कितना उन्होंने एक मैसेज दिया है कि हमें हमेशा खुश रहना चाहिए, पीस ऑफ माइंड हमेशा मेंटेन रखनी चाहिए और कभी लड़ाई झगड़े की बात नहीं करनी चाहिए। हर चीज़ का उन्होंने बताया कि सोल्यूशन प्यार मोहब्बत है, भाईचारा है, बैठकर हम हर चीज़ को सुलझा सकते हैं। वेपन्स उसका सोल्यूशंस नहीं है।
Yeah, it's first time. Yeah, first time.
So how do you feel now?
We are very happy. We were very excited also to see him, to meet him, to listen him, and we are very blessed. Our kids are very blessed that we met him.